I chose NIE because of the Teaching Scholars Program. I always knew that I had a passion for teaching, and I believe that the Teaching Scholars Program would be the best place and environment for me to hone my teaching pedagogy.
The most memorable moment would be during my orientation, where I met my uni friends. They have been my pillar of support. And not to forget that the orientation itself was also very fun.
I decided to choose NIE because NIE combines holistic learning together with experiential learning opportunities to shape and grow me into an educator that I aspire to be. I aspire to become a teacher that focuses on holistic development of the child and for them to grow into curious individuals and ambassadors of lifelong learning.
I chose NIE because of my passion in sports. I really believe as a coach especially that we need a very in-depth sports science knowledge to be able to transfer down to the kids so that they are able to practice in a very safe and structured environment.